Lubis channel. Let's learn and play together.
Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. We are fine, thank you.
Yeah, great to hear. Let's check attendance. Please raise your hand and say present when I call your name. Rizka.
Present, Miss.
Okay, now before we start, let's make sure the classroom is tidy. Please arrange your desks and make sure there's nothing on the floor. Sebelum kita memulai, pastikan kelas kita rapi dan tolong atur meja kalian dan pastikan tidak ada barang di lantai. Okay, perfect. Today we will learn about the function of human body organs, focusing on the respiratory, digestive and circulatory. So do some fun activities at the end, and I will ask you to share what you've learned. So pay close attention. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang fungsi organ tubuh manusia, khususnya sistem pernapasan, pencernaan, dan peredaran darah. Jadi kita juga akan melakukan beberapa aktivitas yang pastinya seru dan di akhir nanti saya akan meminta kalian semua untuk berbagi apa yang sudah kita pelajari. Jadi perhatikan baik-baik ya. Remember, when we are learning, we need to stay focused and listen carefully. Who can remind us what we do when we hear it's time to listen?
We sit quietly and listen.
Okay, exactly. You've all been doing a great job. Let's continue being respectful and paying attention. Please open your science book to page 45 and write the title of today's lesson, The Human Body System. Now, let's start with the respiration system. Take a deep breath in and out. Sekarang kita mulai dengan sistem pernapasan. Tarik napas dalam-dalam dan hembuskan. What do you think happens to the air when we breathe?
When we breathe in, the air goes into our lungs and the oxygen from the air is absorbed into our blood, and then when we breathe out, our body gets rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste product. So breathing helps us get the oxygen we need and remove what we don't need.
Okay, thank you. First, let's talk about the respiratory system. Our lungs help us breathe. When we inhale, we take in oxygen, and we exhale, we release carbon dioxide. Jadi pertama kita bicara tentang sistem pernapasan. Paru-paru kita membantu kita untuk bernapas. Saat kita menarik napas, kita mengambil oksigen, dan saat kita membuang napas, kita melepaskan karbon dioksida. Can you all say oxygen and carbon dioxide with me?
Oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Okay, great. Next, the digestive system helps us process food. When we eat, the food goes down the esophagus and then to the stomach, where it's broken down into nutrients for our body. Nah, jadi selanjutnya sistem pencernaan itu membantu kita memproses makanan. Jadi ketika kita makan, makanan itu akan masuk ke kerongkongan, kemudian ke lambung, di mana makanan itu dipecah menjadi nutrisi untuk tubuh kita. Okay, let's all place our hands on our stomach. Coba kita semua letakkan tangan kita di perut. That's where the food is processed. Disitulah makanan diproses. And lastly, the circulatory system moves blood around our body. The heart pumps blood and the blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all part of the body. Nah, jadi sistem peredaran darah mengalirkan darah ke seluruh tubuh kita. Jantung memompa darah dan darah membawa oksigen dan nutrisi ke seluruh bagian tubuh kita. Let me say, can anyone point to where dear heart is? Excellent. I need 3 helpers to pass out this worksheet on the human body system. Please raise your hand if you'd like to help me. Okay, thank you. Please give 1 worksheet to each of your friends. Now we are going to play a ball game. We toss the ball to one of you, and when you catch it, you have to name 1 body organs and its function. Sekarang kita akan bermain permainan bola. Jadi saya akan melempar bola kepada salah satu dari kalian semua, dan ketika kalian menangkapnya, kalian harus menyebutkan 1 organ tubuh dan fungsinya. Are you ready?
Yes!
Catch the ball and speak clearly. Tangkap bola dan bicara dengan jelas. Pass the ball to your friend after answering. Jadi berikan bola yang kalian pegang itu kepada temanmu setelah menjawab. Jadi dioper ke temannya yang lain ya. Well done everyone. Now can anyone share 1 thing we learned about the human body today? Jadi apakah ada yang bisa berbagi 1 hal yang kalian pelajari tentang tubuh manusia hari ini? Okay, Rizka, please.
Okay, today I learned that the heart is part of the circulatory system. It pumps blood that carries oxygen and nutrients to the rest of our body, and without the heart, our organs would not get the energy they need to work properly.
You all did a fantastic job. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, that's the end of our lesson today. Don't forget to review your notes for tomorrow and see you next time. See you.